Hi kids! Today we will learn about singular nouns and plural nouns. Do you know what are singular nouns? Singular noun includes one person, place or thing, while plural nouns include more than one person, place or thing. Let's learn some example of singular and plural nouns. Car, cars, cat, cats, cake, cakes, chocolate, chocolates, cone, cones, flower, flowers, ball, balls, pencil, pencils, pen, pens, donut, donuts, bag, bags, book, books, balloon, balloons, parrot, parrots, cup, cups,